Hello and welcome back to Tar Heel News with the Tar Heel News crew. And we have a hurricane preparedness list here. Just some advice to give you on cases of a hurricane, because a lot of us are looking out for the hurricane Melissa. But here's just a few things to help you prepare for the hurricane and the hurricane threats. Um, in the North Carolina, officials advise residents to take the following steps. Make a plan. Plan how your family will evacuate and how you will communicate is separated. Include plans for your pets. Assembly an emergency kit. Stock a supply kit with non-perishable food, water, medications, and other essential supplies to last at least 3 to 7 days. And secure your property. Bring in or tie down outdoor objects that could become airborne. Trim trees and reinforce garage doors for coastal areas. Consider installing storm shuttles or plywood covers. And stay informed. Pay close attention to alerts from the National Weather Service and emergency management officials. And know your flood risks. Be aware of your specific areas vulnerable to flooding, as island flooding can be devastating.